Hello, my name is Luisa Fernanda Jimenez Gaviria, a student of Business Administration of the UNAD. I belong to the group 125 with the tutor Blanca Torres, English B2. Question 1. How has technology changed human life in your community? I believe that technology has made my hometown of Remedios, Antioquia continue to grow over time, bringing with it many methods of aid and improvement of human life around health, education, employment, and many others. Question 2. What positive aspect do you consider your community has had? Selection 3. 1. Implementation of new technology that help art of municipality. 2. Increase productivity and performance of activity in a short time. 3. Strengthening of education regarding the management of virtual platforms. Question 3. What negative aspect do you consider your community has had? Selection 3. 1. Addiction, social isolation, and new change in people's lifestyle. 2. There is a high degree of obesity due to a sedentary lifestyle. 3. Increase in visual illness to the extensive use of electronic devices. Thanks you very much for your attention.